Hmm, this is the proof.
Uh,
The Euler's equation can also be put into the form d by dx of f minus y dash dou f by dou y dash equal to dou f by dou x. This is another form of Euler's equation, and this is one more form, second sub 1. Next, this is required. Okay, that one is not required. We will go to problem. Find the extremal of the functional x1 to integral x1 to x2 y dash plus x square y dash square dx, or solve the Euler's equation for the functional xy x naught to x z naught, what it is, x naught to x1 1 plus x square y dash into y dash dx. Okay, this is the question. First thing, take this as take this thing as f of x comma y dash. Write this as x comma f of x comma y dash. Okay, after that, what is the Euler's equation? This one you should remember, d by dou f minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash equal to 0. This is important. Dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash equal to 0. This is the condition for any functional to be extremum. Okay, equal to 0. Next, what is dou f by dou y derivative of this partially with respect to y? What is, we don't have y here. We don't have y in this also. We don't have y here, so derivative of this partially with respect to y is 0. And here we don't have y, therefore this also derivative of y with derivative of f partially with respect to y is 0. Okay. Therefore, dou f by dou y equal to 0. Derivative of this. Derivative of this partially with respect to y is 0. Then d by dx as it is, dou f by dou y dash. Derivative of this partially with respect to y dash. Derivative of first term is 1 with respect to y dash. Then derivative of second term partially with respect to y dash is x square as it is. Derivative of y dash square is 2y dash. Next, integrate with respect to x, we get, if you integrate with respect to x, 0, this negative sign, you can multiply both sides by positive negative, so it will come positive. Integrate, so differentiation integration will get cancelled, only this will remain that I have written here. So in right hand side, integrating constant. Okay, understood? Integration of this, integration of this partially with respect to x, partially with respect, sorry, not partially, with respect to x. So here integration of 0 dx is 0 plus c1 or k1. Integration of this is integration sign, differentiation sign will get cancelled, only this one will remain. That one I have written here. Next, after this, keep only y dash one side, all other terms transposed to right hand side. So k1, if you transpose this, k1 minus 1 divided by 2x square. Next, integrate this because I need y. Integrate this k1 minus 1 divided by 2, it is constant. You can write outside integration of 1 minus x square dx plus c2. What is integration of 1 minus x square? That is minus 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x square, that is, you can write this as integration x power minus 2. So integration of that is x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. That's why it is x power minus 1 by minus 1. So you can write that as minus 1 by x plus c2. Okay, this is the answer. So to find let's see 1 equal to 1 minus x1 in 1 minus x1 by 2 c1 by x plus c2. This is the answer. Okay, this is how we need to solve. Understood? Understood, or you want me to repeat again? I think you understood because it is very easy. Understood, right? It's not that much difficult problem. Next, second problem. Find the extremal of the functional x1 to x2 y square plus y dash square plus 2y e power x dx. First thing is take this as f of x comma y dash. So what happens to Euler's? So you'll then write Euler's equation because Euler's equation is the condition to find the extremum. Write Euler's equation, differentiate partially with respect to y. If you differentiate this, 2y plus 2 e power x minus d by dx, as it is dou f by dou y dash. Only this one we need to differentiate. So 2y dash. Next, you can take 2 common. Take 2 common and divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Then you will get 2, you will get cancel y plus e power x minus y dash equal to 0. Then you can write this as multiply both sides by, wait a minute, multiply both sides by negative sign. So this will become negative, this will be negative, this will be positive. So transpose this, multiply both sides by negative. So this will become negative, this will become negative, this is positive. So transpose this side, that will become positive. How to solve this? In your second semester you studied. When you have y dash, write that as dy. When you have y double dash, write that as d into d minus 1 into y. Okay, like that. For this you can write d into d minus 1 into y minus y. Take y common, so d square 1 d square minus 1 y equal to e power x. Next, what we have to do? Put d equal to m. Put d equal to m. Put d equal to m. So in place of d, write m, don't write y. So take only left hand side, don't take y equal to 0. So if you find out values for m, you will get plus or minus 1. So complementary function, CF is nothing but complementary function, is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x, because roots are real and different. Roots are real and different. Next, to find pi particular integral yp equal to right hand side divided by d square minus 1. If you substitute this a value is nothing but the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? 1. So if you substitute 1 in place of d, that will become 1 square minus 1, that is 0. So at that time what we have to do? Multiply numerator by x, differentiate this denominator with respect to d. So differentiation of this is 2d. Now substitute d equal to a. D is equal to a means coefficient of x is 1. Therefore 2 into 1, that is 2. Complete answer is y equal to yc plus yp. Okay, any doubt in this? See once again the two problems. Yesterday I sent notes. If you have doubts, you can ask. No doubts. Two, four, wait a minute. I'll just take attendance. 6. Okay, didn't got notes. So wait, I will share once again. Okay, just now I shared notes. Okay, in C, yes, C, B also I will share. I shared. Okay, see that notes. From third problem, we'll continue from next class. Okay, we'll continue from third problem from next class. See the notes. If you have any doubts in the two problems and the method, you can ask me. Okay, you can leave the meeting. We'll continue Monday morning.